Chisgi hadian bak Awaken India Movement AIM kalau penlong ya kejialang ban persya halor ke Pynbor ke sarkar ban le ya ke Aadhaar card nakal yang unong ai ketien ke sarkar MDA2 ubak polling do ulam mi syakmat ban ai ke jing pensyai halor ke nikamat. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hakanok pai sengi jong ke spotrik yoyong arja arpusan ubak polling do ulang baka kam ban le ya ke Aadhaar card ke jong ke sarkar pedeng da ke penpau baka jela Meghalaya ke ke wei ke jela ke 4 la ban pendap ya ke jingshon dor Aadhaar ke baki babun ke jela hakari India kila dap hagis nam bala dap. Nolor kita ulang ru bakam dan kanu ke jing Pynbor ban le Aadhaar ndregi bakwa ban le kin le.
We're not doing anything out of the ordinary. There are strict guidelines by various ministries in the government of India that Aadhaar registration has to be compulsory because it is only then that various government interventions and programs can be properly assessed in terms of the success rate, in terms of performance of each of those interventions. Now, without having a database, how would we know how many are the beneficiaries? 2, let us also realize that this is purely a central subject, and it would help us to create that database with the details of each of the card holders. Also, Meghalaya is one of the few states that have not completed the process of Aadhaar registration. The rest of India has done it years ago. And what is the valid ground to oppose? Nobody is forced to go for Aadhaar registration, but then that also means that whoever doesn't go for the registration is not entitled to a few schemes of the government. So the choice is in the applicants. But we have been saying that there are no grounds, no logical and sensible ground for you to oppose. It's like you opposed having a PAN card, you oppose having a driving license. You can't oppose everything under the sun. There has to be valid grounds.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.